Hello, today I'll be walking you through how to add dynamic dates to your messages. Dynamic dates allow you to insert the date you sent a message into your message. You can include the date you sent a message, or you can add or subtract days from that sent date. Say you're sending a message today for an upcoming appointment 3 days from now. To add dynamic dates to your message, you can get started by selecting the calendar icon just below where you would normally type in your message body. You will then have the following options to select from. Includes the date sending the message, includes the last day of the month of the message is sent, includes the date of X day subtracted from the message was sent. If selected, a text box will appear where you will enter the number of days you would like to subtract from the send date. Includes the date of X days added from the message was sent. If selected, a text box will appear where you will enter the number of days you would like to add from the send date. Once you have selected the date that you would like to insert, you will then format the date. The following options are available in your date format: year, month, date, and day of the week. If you wish to not include a certain option, you can simply deselect the checkbox next to that option. Please note that the number of characters used for this feature is limited to 20. Once you've completed composing your message, you may send out your message as normal. And that's how you're able to insert dynamic dates for your outbound messages. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.